Good morning, guys. Homestead know-how life is good. So we're out this morning cleaning up from where we cut down the trees at the barn here. I've already had 2 truckloads of wood hauled out that I gave away. We've got more that I'm cutting here. We got some over there. There's a pile over there, and then we got all these still cut up. What I wanted to show you is this log holder. Now, some instances it don't make sense, but you know, sometimes it's nice to have it up off the ground to cut it. So the way this thing works, it hinges and folds back on itself so it's easier for storage. And then it's got a chain right here, and it's got these 2 pieces of pipes cut at an angle with a slit in them, which holds the chain. So what you do is you put that one side in, wrap it around your log, and then you drop this in here, just like so. Alright, now what you want to do, you don't want to lock it. What you're going to do when you pick up on the other end of the log, see, I've got this one in here, and this will do bigger logs too. It's just kind of a matter of what you can do. Oop, if I don't fall down on those branches. So I'm going to pick up with one hand, and then that chain is going to drop down in there. Alright. And it's going to lock it in place. Just like that. Now the whole log is up off the ground. You can cut it in sections of whatever you want. And once you make the last cut, it'll fall out. Alright. I can't really show you this because I don't have anybody hold the phone while I'm recording. So I just got to show you that it hangs. It's above the ground. And then you just cut it up into whatever sections. And we're cutting these a little longer because we're just letting people come get them. And then they can cut them into the lengths that they want. That way it's good for them. Homestead know-how. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure you get us in that YouTube algorithm. Hit the notification button. Always posting more videos. It's a beautiful day to be out and trying to do things that keep your health going and providing and things of that manner. Hope y'all have a blessed day.